shadows thin and gray. She caught the silence that I didn't know how to say. A soulmate wrapped in fur to hold the heavy weight. Destiny arrived before I even reached the gate. She stares through windows to the spirit in my chest. No human language ever passed the final test. She sees the secrets that the shadows try to keep, watching over me while all the city is asleep. She takes the sorrow like a sponge against the grain, a quiet alchemy to wash away the strain. She drinks the pressure that is boiling in my mind, leaving all the bitter ghosts of yesterday behind. The bond is effortless like gravity or breath, a holy contract that ignores the sting of death. Two different species with a single pulse to share, proving that a miracle is sitting in that chair. Changing every heartbeat with a simple holy spark.